What is up, guys? Today we're going to Spirals. I'm going to do a vlog this evening. We're going to see how much stuff we can get. With Cameron at the moment, we're just on our way to his. So I'm going to meet his dog for the first time. It's going to be cool. And yeah, we're going to see how much mischief we can get up to this evening.
Yeah.
I'll catch you later. We rolling? We rolling. How do I zoom in? Okay, so zoom in. Okay, maybe not. And we made it.
We made it.
We here. We happy? Oh, hello.
Hello there.
How are you?
Oh, you're recording. Hello. Why are you recording?
Good morning.
Oh God, no, you get it.
Oh yes.
Why you do this?
Why do I do this? Oh gee, that Cameron, thanks for telling me. Okay, so we're taking off from here, okay? Landing on this block here. Alright, catch you later, guys.
See you guys.
Toodles.
Bye.
See ya. Man, I'm tired. Coming here, it was light, now it's dark. It was a good couple of hours.
Yeah, man, it's good.
Nearly got that Beatrice down, but I didn't film it because I was so focused, and it is really dark right now. Okay, hey guys. So yeah, that was the end of the evening. we had a great time. We didn't actually film as much as we'd planned to because well, Karen was busy doing some stuff. I was busy doing some stuff. Like we were learning B twist. We were hitting some lines. We filmed a little bit, but yeah, I'm new to YouTube. I'm gonna have to just get better at vlogging. So we'll hopefully have a much better video next week.
Yeah.
For you, much fuller, you know, more content stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll see you guys later. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, see you later, guys.
See ya.